Hi all, shout out to Busy Bee for asking me to do a tutorial, and for general inspiration, Brain Records, Dubplate Wars, awesome. Louder beats, less volume. So I got this nice break here, Cashmere Stage Band Scorpio. Here you go. So I'll leave that running, go over to my desk, take the faders down because it's going to get pretty loud in a minute if I don't. Go over to my sound card, go to the volume, turn it up to about half. I find is normally pretty good. Back to the desk. I'm going to mono out the signal so it's going straight up the centre now. Prefade listen button down. Then on this channel, this is a gain here, I'm going to look at my meters while I turn up the gain. Something around there. Give that a go. So back into Ableton now. Now if we right click, insert audio track, pull that down a bit, we're on that track. Okay, now we go back over to the desk to just show you what's going on. So this is the channel that we've basically redlined the signal, that drum loop. It's going in there, and then here is a direct out of that same channel. So it's going direct out, but it's obviously going through that gain staging. So that green cable is going into my sound card. So if we play the track now, I've just got to check that it's not redlining. So there you go, it's clipping there. Don't want any digital clipping of course, so turn that down to about there maybe. Okay, so now we just take it out of loop mode and hit record. And we got it. Now we've got to go back over to the desk, take the PFL off, Prefade listen, put the thing back in normal stereo mode, which will have it, and then we got obviously put the gain back to normal. So if I hit this tab key, we're now in Ableton's session view, and it's got this master out, and it's got the peak indicator here, which it hasn't got on in the arrangement view. So over here I've got left and right tracks. One on the left is the original, one on the right is the one we just recorded. So I've just got the original playing at the moment. So if I hit that, it's only the original playing. Go over to the meter, just click that top bit, reset it. It's coming out about 0, isn't it? So if I go over here and I solo the one we just recorded, go back over to the meter, click that top numbers and it reset. It's coming out minus 2.09 dB, so it's over 2 dB less in volume. Yeah, to me, I just play the original again. There's the original, and this is the one we just recorded. The one we just recorded sounds a lot louder to me, yet it's over 2 dB less in volume. Pretty cool stuff, eh? Doing this to your breaks is going to get them louder really, with less volume. So obviously when you hit the limiter, you can raise that level up even more, so it's just going to make your break sound louder. So anyway, I hope that sort of explains it. Well, I thought it was pretty awesome to find that out. Oh yeah, also shout out to Daps from Compound Audio, as he was talking about this to me when I was sending him my pre-masters. He was saying that my beats are a bit spiky, which is all to do with this saturation business. And if you do that, obviously I've saturated it for a desk, and doing that makes it less peaky, so you can make it louder, which is pretty awesome, isn't it? Shout out to James from Locked Up Music. Shout out to DJ Doms, Aim and Warfare Records. Shout out to all the crew. You know who you are. Keep it massive. So thanks for watching all. Big up all the crew, all massive. Cheers guys. Bye.